guys, this is Queen Ness and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for your support, which has helped me to get to 50 subscribers. Now, I haven't posted in a while, but I have not been lazy by any means. I have been busy working on items for an appreciation dinner. I was asked to make this seating chart but not to buy anything in order to make it. In December 2018, I used a mirror to make a seating chart for my sister-in-law's wedding. You can't really see it well from this pic, but it was beautiful. Everything glittered. The garland was white and snowy, glittery, some butterflies and birds in silver, blue and lavender, the colors of the wedding. It was all glittery and beautiful. In this case, all I had at home was a hula hoop. So here goes. In order to stabilize it, I decided to make some holes and then screw it to a bowl that I had left over from a previous task. I'm going to put the top from a margarine container onto it to help to keep some marbles or stones or something inside of it. That will add weight to keep it standing. So I'm just going to put the glue onto the cover of the margarine container. Then once that's done, I'll stick the marbles inside and attach the cover to the bowl. Now I'm just going to put the flowers in the bowl. I'm going to use the glue gun to make holes and stick the flowers in through the holes and then add some glue to the base of the flower itself to try to keep it attached to the bowl. This is my smaller gun, so it's not as hot as my bigger one, which means it takes a longer time to make the holes. If I use the bigger gun, then the holes are going to be too big, so I'm just going to have to deal with this. When I was asked to make the seating chart, I was expected to just write or type it on some cardstock, but for this event I really had to make it appear more formal looking. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Now I'm just going to keep adding more flowers. Going to add some to a portion of the top rim right now. I had some ferns, some fern leaves. I just could not find them anywhere. So I found these and I'm going to use them. I had actually bought this hula hoop to work on a different project, but it's cheap. It can be easily replaced. I really wanted to get a mirror, but since I couldn't buy anything, I just had to use what I had on hand. And so far, I think it's working out pretty well. Would you know, I found the ferns, so I have cut off these leaves, whatever they're called, and have attached the ferns. I'm going to add some dowels to the sides, and I'll put some flowers on there to take up some of the space that's on the side of the chart. I'm just making holes with my soldering iron, 2 holes close to each other for 2 pieces of the dowels, and then I'll make like a V shaped on the back of the poster board. I'll glue them into place, and then I'll glue some flowers onto them. On the other side, I'm just going to attach 1 dowel and put some flowers on. Added some flowers around the base so that I don't have so much of a wide space around the hula with all this white space showing. I hadn't shown either, but I also added some chandelier beads towards the top portion of it, which I'm sure you have noticed. It's all done and it came out beautifully. I couldn't buy anything, I had to use what I had, and I still love the end result. I hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos, and I hope to see you again. Thank you very much. God bless, take care, and bye.